Good evening sa inyo. Let's learn about si ngayong gabi. Let's start. Examples with using si Ana, si mommy, si daddy, si kuya, si ate, si uncle or si tito, si auntie, si tita, si mayor. You could just say si mayor or be more specific and say si Mayor Alcala, si Governor or si Governor Perez. Also, if you want to describe someone using an adjective, you use si. Examples: Ana is nice. Si Ana ay mabait. Si Mark ay gwapo. Mark is handsome. Or also, you can say it with the adjective first, and you can say, mabait si Ana, guwapo si Mark. What else? Mayaman si Carla. Carla is rich. Masaya si Rosa, or Rosa is happy. Also, si before a name is used with magverbs and verbs. Examples ay, magluluto si Mara ng spaghetti. Mara is going to cook spaghetti. Or past tense ng verb ay, kumain si Mara ng spaghetti. Mara ate spaghetti. And the last one with si. Use si before a name to answer the question, who? Who ate the cake? Si Ana. Sinong kumain ng cake? Si Ana. Sino nagbukas ng TV? Who turned on the TV? Si Daddy. Or si Mommy. Or if you wanna say, si Kuya, si Ate, si Uncle, si Tito, si Tita. Who took my money? Sinong kumuha ng pera ko? And you saw who took the money. And you want to say, si Kuya, or si Ana, si Mara. That's all for tonight. Yan lang para ngayong gabi. Good night na. Bye!